What's up, guys? I'm Paulie on behalf of Nature's Hangout, and this is my buddy Jared.
What's up, y'all?
So we are actually taking our Nature's Hangout hammocks, and we are in the middle of a snow-covered forest here in New York, and we're just gonna have one heck of a fun time hammocking in the freezing cold right after a snowstorm. It's beautiful out here. That's one thing I encourage you all to do, is just go outdoors when most people won't and see the true beauty of it. So we're about to hang out in nature. So today we are using Nature's Hangout's hammock. It's got these straps inside, two really big straps, and the hammock inside of this bag right here. This is all you need right here. That's it. All compact, lightweight. So we're gonna put this to use. This is the River Edition. This is the
Sunset Edition.
Yeah, they're really cool. We'll show you the colors when we get it set up. I really like blue. I like the River Edition. But let's get this started.
We got our straps in here. Orange, as it comes with the Sunset Edition.
Two straps. Oh mama, look at that. Nice. So we're gonna set this up, show you guys what it looks like. We got the carabiners on here as well.
Comes with them.
Yeah, we'll put everything in the link in the description below. They're not expensive at all. I would go get yourself one of these. They're really cool, really lightweight, strong, durable. Anyway, let's just get these up. We got a puppy coming.
I thought it was a deer.
Hey, Pop. Alright, so we set up our hammock. Beautiful colors, look at this. I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. The River hammock is my favorite addition so far. But we're sitting here, we're hanging out in nature. We got the straps going, super strong straps, carabiners, nice and tight. Big old hammock. Look, man, we could fit so many people in here. It's so fun out here. It's cold. It's winter. If you guys haven't seen our other social medias, be sure to do so. We're gonna start posting really often. Instagram at Nature's Hangout, Facebook Nature's Hangout. Be sure to subscribe. Winter hammocking is a fun way to enjoy the winter. Whew. Look at this sunset. I'm just kidding, that's the Sunset Edition. But this is the real sunset. Sun's going down here in New York real quick. Yo. Yo, Jared, what do you think of the hammock?
Yo, this hammock is awesome. Like, and they're really durable. I was surprised when I first sat in it. I thought there was gonna be like some give or some stretch to it, but when you sit in this, you don't sink down like another half a foot. You stay like right where you are, and to me that's more comfortable. They're awesome. They're pretty durable.
So yeah, like Jared said, these are super durable. Like I was not expecting to sit inside this thing and not sink, but Nature's Hangout makes some really good product. I'll give you a close-up of what this hammock actually looks like and show you why it's so durable and the stitching and everything that makes it no stretch, like literally no stretch. Like I'm bouncing up and down, no stretch whatsoever. It's awesome, dude. It's ice cold here. Whenever you're hammocking, it's a blast. Even though it's cold, it's a blast. It's gonna be the same way when it's boiling hot out. Adventure is an adventure. Just gotta deal with the weather, man. You're only on this world, this earth, for so long. Take it in. So yeah, since this is the first video of a new startup series, I want you guys to know that this is just the start of the videos, man. We're gonna be producing about 2 videos every single week. So be sure to give this video a like, comment below so that we know you're watching and we can see our supporters. And be sure to subscribe to this channel as well. And if you guys want some more information about what gear we're actually using, no matter what video, we'll put the links to all the products in the description below. That way you guys can check it out, see the price. Ridiculous prices, man. We got them good prices for you guys. Great quality products with a really good price. So check out all those. We're gonna be doing more videos just like this, but a little bit more adventure. That includes a lot of different products, different color products, different edition products, hammock straps, everything. We're gonna be having one heck of a year. So be sure to follow us here and our Instagram, Facebook, and we gotta go do something else. I want to go hammock higher. All right, guys. Do not do this at home. We are trained professionals. Don't do this at home. Thank you. How you doing up there?
You know, just hanging out.
Just hanging out. Double hammocking.
Double hammocking. Snow.
You know the good part about this?
Everything.
If it snows, you're the one getting snowed on.
Not with the Nature's Hangout Rainfly.
That's correct.
Which you can also purchase through Nature's Hangout.
Correct. All right, so it's been a fun adventure. We're gonna take these down, stick them inside of their little pouches again, and we're gonna head back home and conclude this adventure. But first, we gotta somehow get back up here and take off these straps.
It's gonna be intense, dude.
I climb trees for a living. So we took down our hammocks, put everything back together, real compact. You know, it's quick and easy. It's simple. It's a place to relax. Not that heavy. Man, hammocking is so much fun. Now what we gotta do is go on some crazy long adventure.
Yeah, dude. We gotta go on a backpacking trip with these hammocks.
Backpacking trip.
Backpacking trip in all 4 seasons.
For all 4 seasons. Just never come back.
It's fatter than me.
Dude, that's huge. That's big, dude.
It is. Look at that one. So like twisted.
Dang.
That one's burnt over there.
Mudding? East.